good fortune, it's protection. It's also for money, because that's the place that we have our drive or our desire from. It's a place of our passion. I don't sit too close. I splash.
Hold this one especially close for protection against unwanted influences and energies from the past.
If it can protect me from my mother, I'll hold it with me to my grave.
Labradorite. It encourages your true color and helps promote individuality.
Yeah, pulling her that easy.
You'll be fine. I gotta get to work. Alcohol doesn't serve himself. I'll see you next week.
Yes, please.
Walked to the nearest corner store, pulled out a revolver and stole all the things I couldn't afford. But since I'm just a boy that cried wolf, I'll always be a liar until I got the proof and credentials to show you that I'm on fire. However, I ain't trying to prove myself worthy. Y'all children just lame and a bit thirsty. Go back to watching KCOS on channel 13 with Elmo's World and maybe even Dorothy.
Yeah, if only time could stand still.
Paint me in your writings, I know you won't. Paint me as I am on my throne. Keep it on the down low, never on the case for show. I mess with this beat real with some grease real slow, foe. Over.
Hey, Chuck, how'd it go?
It was quiet.
Oh, thanks, man.
So your mom comes out soon, right?
Yeah, I know. Bellísima.
Hola, Pimp Este.
Burrito and coffee?
But you should have seen him. You must get tired hearing me talk.
No.
Okay, use the coffee.
I'll get you coffee.
Let's go.
We accept cash only.
I know.
Next time you pay.
It happened again, Pimp Este. Do I have a wart or something on my face?
Lovely, sweetie, I told you it's not you, it's them. You're just too good for them.
Hey.
How's the night going?
Going pretty good now that you showed up.
Pretty good. Hey, you know what? Maybe some art time.
Maybe I need new clothes.
No, I don't think so. What if it makes you happy?
Yes.
Oh, I know you like your rocks, and got you this one. It's what's to bring you success and abundance.
Thanks, honey.
Hi, Kiki. I know, a lonely night.
It's not so bad, is it?
Hey,
Hey,
looking for a date?
well, I'm actually looking for the bus stop.
What do you need the bus for? Stay here with me.
No thank you. I have to look for this bus. So...
Oh. Come on, I'll walk you home.
Call from inmate, your mother. From Federal Detention Center, Houston. Press 7 if you accept. It's me.
It's your mother.
I know that.
I'm getting out soon, you know.
Of course, how could I forget?
How's my business doing?
The girls work hard.
Don't you ever think you're better than these streets, Este. You get your heads out of the fucking clouds for once and be real.
I know, I just wish...
2 minutes remaining.
You hear from your dad?
No, I heard he's sleeping on the streets though.
You know, I've always tried to be a good mother for you, Este.
I know.
When I get out, though, nothing's changed.
Mom. Mom?
Ask me what I'm gonna do, bro, you'll still never know. I keep myself a mystery embedded in these Cali dreams, partnered in scenes for the mainstream screams. Help, better help me. Help, you better help me. Help, you better help me. Help, you better help me.